Featuring Hot Wheels diecast car number 45, the Armored Truck. The Hot Wheels Armored Truck, a 2014 release, is a sought-after die-cast model known for its realistic armored vehicle design. Its bright yellow body is accented by striking red $sign tampos, complemented by an eagle decal and the Armored Truck inscription. The truck's silver metal base, detailed undercarriage, and chrome orange 5 SP wheels enhance its authentic appearance. Due to its unique design and potential for different variations, the Armored Truck can be a valuable addition to a Hot Wheels collection. Notably, information about this specific model is limited, as it's not documented on Hot Wheels Wiki Fandom or other readily accessible resources. This scarcity suggests that the Armored Truck might be a relatively rare find for collectors.